Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your password for Hathor Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch Open Hathor Wallet application from your app drawer. You will then be prompted to enter your PIN code. If you don't remember your PIN code or your password during logging in, tap on this Reset Wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Now, in order to reset your wallet, toggle on this button at the bottom and tap on Reset Wallet. Remember that if you reset your wallet, all the data will be deleted and you will lose access to your tokens. If you ever wish to recover access to your tokens, you'll need to import your seed words in order to get back to your wallet. Tap the Reset Wallet button at the bottom and then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by toggling on the button on the next page. Now tap on Start and then tap on Import Wallet. Enter your seed words separated by space from your backup. After typing in the correct seed words in the correct order, tap on Next at the bottom, and on the next page, you will get to create a new PIN code or password. Enter the new PIN code you'd like to reset to and enter it one more time on the next page. Now tap on Start the Wallet button at the bottom and you will be able to reset your wallet's passcode or your PIN code, and you will then end up back to your wallet homepage. So that is how you can easily reset your password for your Hathor Wallet application if you've forgotten your password during logging in. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.